A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is conscious stillness, the yoga of action in inaction. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world overwhelmed by relentless noise and urgency, humanity has drifted from an ancient yet timeless truth that in stillness lies the purest form of action. Stillness is not the absence of activity, but conscious alignment of mind, body and spirit with the rhythm of the cosmos. It is within this conscious silence that divine intelligence speaks, energies flow, and life finds its true direction. The journey of self-empowerment begins not by doing more, but by being deeply present and aligned, practicing the yoga of action in inaction as revealed by Lord Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita. Every human is intricately designed by the Master Creator to live in harmony with the cosmic order, driven by two essential forces: energy and consciousness. Ancient wisdom embraced this. Sages and seers mastered the art of inner stillness, igniting their inner sun to radiate truth, righteousness and duty. However, the complexities of the modern world have fragmented this natural alignment. While science excels in decoding the material world, it is only now approaching the subtler realms of consciousness through fields like neuroscience, quantum biology, and cosmic physics, reaffirming ancient truths. This disconnect affects both individuals and societies. It breeds stress, purposelessness, and collective confusion. The remedy lies in reviving silence and stillness, not as acts of withdrawal, but as practices of profound empowerment. Silence is not mere quietness. It is a state where the mind, resting yet aware, tunes into the cosmic flow. Stillness of the body complements this, creating a human energy grid refueled across physical, mental, emotional, aspirational and spiritual dimensions. It is within this conscious stillness that divine guidance flows not in words but as pure living energy. When thoughts are aligned, positive, purposeful, and grounded in truth and duty, they resonate with the cosmic frequency. Through meditation, deep breathing, and silent invocation, one refines this tuning. Over time, Lord Krishna's teaching from the Bhagavad Gita reveals itself. He who sees inaction in action and action in inaction, he is wise among men, a yogi, and the true performer of all actions. Among the supreme embodiments of this cosmic mastery is Lord Shiva, the ultimate yogi. In his majestic stillness, transcending time and energy, Shiva governs the cosmic order through absolute awareness, embodying truth, detachment from external validations, and unwavering focus rooted in silence. What's the way forward? The path ahead calls for individuals, regardless of age, culture, or geography, to embrace silence and stillness as conscious daily practices. This is not about retreating from life, but engaging it with inner mastery, aligning energy, refining consciousness, and cultivating thoughts on a foundation of truth and duty transforms every action into meaningful flow. As science continues to validate these ancient practices, the wisdom of yoga as revealed by Lord Krishna becomes vital to navigate modern complexities. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the true essence of life's journey is beautifully declared in the Bhagavad Gita. Wherever there is Krishna, the master of yoga, and Arjuna, the supreme archer, there will certainly be prosperity, victory, righteousness, and eternal order. This eternal synergy of divine guidance and human effort, illuminated by Lord Shiva's cosmic stillness, offers a path of clarity to every seeker. When one aligns with truth, embodies righteousness, and performs duty with a still, conscious mind, the mastery of action in inaction becomes living reality. Such is the path of the true yogi, empowered in stillness, purposeful in silence, and a radiant force of cosmic harmony. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.